Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by and thanks for being here if you're new. So this is a Cobeads unboxing. I will have their website linked in the description as well as all of the products that I share with you. I want to start off by saying that I am super sorry and I apologize that some of these products are not in their original packaging. I recorded my unboxing and I thought that I uploaded it, and I have just realized that it did not upload, and apparently I lost my footage, so I don't have everything in its original packaging. I had already recorded it and put everything up, in my own containers and such, but I did get things out and put them in different little bowls and things to show you, so that I wasn't showing other containers full of other products not related to this haul. So, I believe I have everything out, and I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys the products that I chose. Being that I thought I uploaded this, obviously this video is going to be up late. I do apologize. So let's jump right in. First thing are these adorable little candy containers. These are so adorable. These are in their original packaging. I hadn't, put these in anything else yet, so it did come like this. So you get this cute little candy container. I was looking for a ruler, but it opens up right here on the top. You could put a candy in it, a few specialty beads, a small sequin mix, or use it, party favors, things like that. You can, although fingers are a little puffy right now, you can see that it's about the length of my, or the width, So, and this came in a pack of 12. And I'll have a link in the description box like I mentioned. So that was the first thing. The second one were these washies. Okay, so this first one here came with 10 rolls. And it's like the holographic colors. You get a few different greens, a couple of different pinks. I like the different colors. Yeah. And I am a sucker for some washi tape. Love, love, love washi tape. And then the next one I got is also a set of 10, and it's different colored glitters. See, those two look pretty close, but that is a different pink. There's two different gold colors, a silver, more of a brown color, two different blues. Yeah, and these were very, very affordable. They were actually pretty cheap, if I remember right. I mean, only like $1 and some change for 10 rolls of washi. That is a really good price. And then I did buy one that came, or pick one that came with just one roll. It is adorable. And I believe this was only like 50 cents. But I love vintage. And this was vintage-ish to me. It's got some words on there and then a bicycle. Race for something. Different words are in the background. I can't quite make all of them out, but I just thought that was a really adorable little, I'm sorry about that, vintage washi. I thought I had the volume turned down, but I have my phone pulled up here with the items so I can tell you guys the correct information. Excuse me. Okay, and the next one was this die set. I did think that this was bigger. I thought it was going to be more like this, like a card front. So it's kind of small. But my plan was to make, like the window will be a shaker in the parts here. And I will figure out how to make it a shaker. I know you're thinking, what? Those are too tiny. How are you going to do that? Which is why I also picked these out. I've been wanting some Caviar Beads. They're super tiny, so they will make great little shaker bits for tiny things that maybe aren't meant to be shakers. You got some flowers here. to build for your little flower box in the front of the window. And then, like I said, I picked the Caviar Beads as well. These were 2 separate packages. So these are more of metallic colors. See, there's like a crimson, a red, pink, like a grass green, light green. That's blue, maybe purple, teal, gold. What's that? Brown, bronze, maybe. That's kind of a silver, gold, and then it's a mix on this end. And then this one are more matted colors. So you get red, yellow. That's like an orangey yellow, a different yellow, dark green, light green, blue. That's like a denim blue. And then more of a teal blue, dark pink, light pink, white. I think that one is, it's like a silver. Yeah. And then you get black. And, yeah, okay, yeah, it's kind of it's a silver color, silver gray. I thought I might spill them if I opened it. So I'm not going to open every one of them. So, yeah. I found they were, like I said, 2 different finishes. So I wanted to have the choices, the colors, and the finish, metallic or not. Okay, and then, oh, I also grabbed this umbrella die. It is adorable. And I do plan to make those small areas shakers as well. I don't know if I will do tiny ones or if I'll have the, the main outline in foam and have this as a shaker with my piece later on top. I'm not sure yet. It's going to be fun to play with, though. I love, love, love dies. And then I showed you the beads. Okay. Now, or the caviar beads. Let's go to... Okay. And like I mentioned, I have these in different little containers to show you guys because, like I said, I already had them put up. So this one is in a little cup here. But it calls these Flocky Beads. Is what the description says. Blocky, mixed color, chunky bubblegum ball beads, 14 millimeter. But if you can tell, it's like a velvety finish. They're super soft. You can probably see on the blue there how it almost looks fuzzy. So yeah, this was the mixed one. I believe there was an option for pick your color, just one color. You could get all pink or all red, orange, blue. And I chose the mix because I wasn't sure. I wanted to be sure I liked them and the size and all. So there's those. And then I also grabbed some bows. And they are these like gingham plaid, type design. I have used a few. So I don't have them all here. There's 6. There were 10 in the pack. Yes. And it was like 79 cents for the pack of 10. And that was a really good price. Oh, and these beads, I meant to mention that those were like $1 and some change. So that's not bad. The caviar beads, one was like $1.95. One was $1.61. I don't remember which one was which, but still, that's very affordable. So yeah, I grabbed these bows, and it had all different colors in it. And then I also grabbed this little spool of chain. I wanted to grab one because you can basically cut it off wherever you want, whether you want to make a bracelet, a necklace, a keychain, a dangle, whatever. It's all on here, and you just cut where you want. Let's see, this was 10 meters of chain. They had different sizes. Let's see, 3 by 2.2 by 0.6 millimeters, 32.8 feet, 10 meter roll. And this was only $1.47. Super affordable. Super affordable. So there's that one. And then, the alpha beads. So I picked these pink alpha beads. And you get 200 pieces here. And I've got some fun little embellishment ideas for these. Obviously, you can make bracelets and necklaces and spell things out. I'm going to make some adorable little embellishments. So you got 200 pieces, and these were like $1. So that all of their stuff, they have such good prices, very affordable things, and fun things. All right, next is this mold. It's a bat mold, and I have already used it. Like I said, I had lost my footage, so I have used it, and I can share later the little flat back piece I made out of this. It's 2 small bats. Well, that one's small and that one's a little bit bigger, so you get 2 different sizes there. Little round mold, and it's mostly clear. And I believe this was less than $1. Yeah. Let's see, next. Oh, the candy beads. Look at these adorable little candy beads. Look at that. So this one wasn't, I don't think it was so many pieces. It was like, here it is, 50 grams. It was a 50-gram bag. But as you can see, you get so many different colors. They're beads. If I didn't say that, there is a hole. Super adorable. I mean, I guess you could just glue these on with the hole facing a certain direction and use it as a little embellishment if you wanted. And these were also just $1. $1, so not very much. Super fun little beads there. And then next, more Flocky beads. Okay, more of those. They're called Flocky. These are a little bit smaller. These are 10 millimeter, and they're all black. I thought they were great for Halloween projects. Again, the little fuzzy velvet-like finish. And it is a bead. Where's the hole? Oh, there it is. Okay, so 2 millimeter hole and 10 millimeter beads. And these were around $1 as well. Very affordable. I know I keep saying that, but I mean, it's super affordable. Really great prices and really great items. And then, see, I have a few more things. These are little glittered star beads. They are pink with like iridescent or holographic glitter. You got 20 pieces in this set. Those are going to be really fun to play with. And then let's see. Hearts. These are AB color plated hearts, acrylic beads, mixed colors. So these are super adorable. Super, super adorable. I love these. You get all different colors. Look at that. Pink, purple, blue, orange, yellow, green. And it's white, but it's more like a cream color. You do get 2 different pinks there. So this was a 50-piece set. And if I'm not mistaken, pretty much all the beads were $1-ish, less or around $1 price. So very good prices. Okay, and next is solid color chunky bubblegum acrylic beads, mixed color. I believe you can also get the same order with 20 pieces in all one color if you want it all pink or all purple. Oh, so the yellow is, it's pastel, but it's more, you can see that. It's very pretty colors. So like I said, you get 20 pieces, and these are 16 millimeter beads. I love chunky bubblegum ball beads. That's what I call them. Alright, and next are these. Now these are still in their packaging. I had these kind of hanging up here above my desk. So you get 5 of these. Yes, 5 pieces. And it says they're called Iron Kilt Brooch pins. 75 millimeters. And it looks like they have 3 millimeter holes. So you can see here about the width of it. and it opens. You can pin it onto something after it's decorated or not, but it has the 3 loops at the bottom. Add a jump ring, some of your chain, and some charms and beads, and you got yourself a cute little dangle there. So I am ready to play with those and see what I can come up with. I saw a lot of people hauling these, so when I came across them, I was like, yes, please. And I think these may have been like $2, but still, that is very affordable for the size and quantity that you get. Next are, oh, these are bow charms. So I did start a new container for these, so there's nothing else in this container but these. But it was a mixed bag. I separated them. Let's see, under the green. Oh, sorry about that. I said, excuse me. So, green, orange, purple. I think they are acrylic. Yes, they're acrylic. Opaque, solid color, acrylic, pendant, bow knot, mixed colors. And you get 50 pieces. Let's see, there was red and blue. So there's different colors. I mean, I could use the red at Christmas or 4th of July. There's, you know, green, orange. Matches a lot of different collections that we crafters use. So here's the pinks. And if you see, they all have the hole at the top. But there's also this little rounded area here at the bottom that if you wanted to hang something on the bottom of it, you could do that as well. Oh, so that's the other pink. It's almost like a hot pink compared to the other one. So, super adorable little bow charms. Set that to the side. And then last but not least are these itty bitty adorable little bow knot charms. It's light gold and they look like rope. If you can see the detail, it's like golden rope, like someone used rope and tied a little bow. Has a little charm spot on the top. Super adorable. And this one, you get 10 pieces. And it was around the same price as the other ones, $1 or so. So, yep, that is it for this video. I will make sure this footage saves and uploads to my YouTube channel so that you guys can see this. And again, I do apologize that it did not upload sooner than this. I really thought it did. And I had no clue that I lost my footage as well. So yeah, I'm going to get this uploaded for you guys. There will be links for everything as well as a code to save you a little bit of money to use for your order as well. I hope you enjoyed seeing these products and maybe go grab a few for yourself. Just don't forget the code in the description box. And that is it for this video, guys. I will catch you later. Bye-bye.